Hi, welcome back to my channel. Do you like pomelo like me? And do you know that there are different kinds of pomelo? Let's try them out. Hi everyone, I got two pomelo today. This is California pomelo. It's much bigger. This is honey pomelo. I want to see what's the difference and which one's sweeter, so let's test it out. Let's go. Let's start with the small one first. So this is how how I grew up learning how to cut pomelo. So what you do is you kind of score 4 of these, because I don't like to cut it through and waste some of these delicious juice. Oh, by the way, if you don't know how to pick a pomelo, you kind of have to wait on your hand. With this and another one, take the heavier one, which my mom taught me that heavier meaning is more juicy. Heavier one is the juicier one, so that's how we pick it. And then what you do is you just get your thumb in and kind of pull it, and it'll come right out, just like that. And then you pull the rest. Just push and pull. One hand pull, the other hand push the skin away to peel it off. And that's what we got. This is one. So if you want it a little better looking one, get that spongy part and pull it out. It's part of the skin, you don't eat it anyway. Now let's cut the other one. This one is huge. Look, it's bigger than my head. For some reason, I just don't like to leave those spongy part. So I usually like to peel those off like this. It's just satisfying in a way too, isn't it? And I also use this as a plate. And then you can just stick your thumb in like those tangerines and split it apart. Ooh, looks so juicy. Look at this. Now let's try. Love it. It has pretty good amount of sweetness with a little bit of sour, which is perfect for a pomelo that I usually like. That is California pomelo. Now let's get this honey pomelo. Ooh, it has this little part sticking out. Whoa, I can feel the juice in this one. This one seems super juicy too. This is kind of like orange. I'm pretty sure this is citrus family fruit. Usually we eat the California pomelo more, which is a little pinkish. It's delicious. This one has a little bit of different smell. It has teeny tiny little seeds like those, and I'm just trying to take those out. Now, see? Wow, this is super juicy. Nothing makes me happier than a juicy fruit. This is good too, but the flavor is definitely different. Flavor is definitely different. I don't know how to describe it. Wow, I love both of them. This is pomelo, but growing up, I keep eating this type of pomelo, a little bit of pinkish inside. So this one gives me a little more, it has a hint of orange taste to it. The pink one is closer to what I grew up eating, what pomelo usually tastes like. This tastes more like pure pomelo taste. It's also just because it tastes closer to the taste of pomelo I grew up eating. So is it more pomelo taste? I don't know. Try it out, but both of them delicious. This has a little more hint of sour taste and closer flavor to orange. This is my perfect midnight snack. Good night.